Welcome to one of the most breathtaking places on earth, Milford Sound, New Zealand. In just one day, we're going to cruise through the fjords, walk among waterfalls, and see why this is called the eighth wonder of the world. The bus trip doesn't go straight to Milford Sound from Queenstown Center. There will be stops along the way, and one of my favorite is the Monkey Creek. Another exciting part of the bus trip is passing through the mountain tunnel. For those who are claustrophobic, you better prepare yourselves.
Back in the very early days when the tunnel was completed, there were no lights either side, it wasn't sealed, and there were no lights on the inside. So it was just a bit of a free for all. And then the people coming out of the way would have to reverse. So it's about 1.2 kilometres long. Something you would probably rather not know if you're driving through the tunnel, except there's a huge fault line running through this mountain. So we'll walk out there.
When we arrive at Milford Sound, there's a lot of tourists in the area, and they are really strict about the time. So when they said that the boat is leaving at this time, you should be there on time, otherwise they will not wait for you. Just one tip when you're doing the bus trip, make sure that you are full and you have extra snacks with you. Though there is food being sold in the boat, the options are very limited, so it's good to bring your own food. The long bus trip will make you hungry, so it's good to have spare food with you.
That has the effect of speeding it up somewhat. Well, folks, there was a dolphin there, but it's all out of wind. Keep an eye on it. It might make another appearance at some stage.
words can describe how beautiful it is. It's like entering into a new dimension. You really can't imagine that this place exists on Earth. And I'm glad me and my partner did this trip. I hope you guys do too and include this in your bucket list when you visit New Zealand.